Hello, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your business Google Mail email account so that you can receive and send business mails from Gmail. Far better, I believe, than Outlook or Outlook Express. You can receive your mail on the run, you can receive your mail at any computer, onto your mobile telephone, your Apple phone, and you can store your mail for thousands and thousands of megabytes. So you're in your email account, Google Mail. Mine is stepintointernetmarketing@gmail.com. Go to settings. And when you're in settings, let's pull the screen up a little bit. Then in settings you will see there's lots of things at the top, but we're going to be interested in accounts and import. You can see already I have set up an account for video testimonials. Brian at Step Into SEO, Brian at stepintomarketing.com, and also I've set one up, Brian, thewallpanelingcompany.co.uk. I have to still verify that, but it's easy to do. All we do is use this here, this little bit here, and we set up a new account. Let's pull that into the screen. There we go. So you want to put your name in and the email address. And the email address that is your server email address. So it could be, let's do this, your name, Brian, at thewallpanelingcompany.co.uk. You also need to put in a separate email address because we haven't registered this one yet. So we need to put in your original Gmail account, and that is stepintointernetmarketing@gmail.com. And then go to the next step. Send through, you have two choices. Send through Google Mail, that's the easiest set. That means everything will go through your Google Mail, which we don't want to do in this case. We want to send through the Wall Paneling Company at the server. So you receive mail from the server when they write to me, Brian at thewallpanelingcompany.co.uk, and you send mail from thewallpanelingcompany.co.uk. First of all, on my particular server, you may need SMTP, but on my particular server, I am going to put mail. And I know the port number was be 465 on that. The username, and that's not your username now, this is the login to the server username, is, in this case, is the wall, and the password, I'm not going to tell you what that is, and we always use a secure connection. Then we add the account, and it's that simple. We just click, and the account is added. And now it's going to ask you for a verification. You can close this window, doesn't matter, because as you can see, if we need verification and we come back to this screen, it's got it there to verify. And let's go and get our verification code. So the Google Mail team has sent me an email to stepintointernetmarketing@gmail.com, and I will click on that, and what it's doing is asking me to verify. Before you can send mail from Brian at thewallpanelingcompany.co.uk using my Gmail account, stepintointernetmarketing@gmail.com, please click the link below to confirm the request, and open the Accounts tab to locate the email address you'd like to add, Send Mail As section, then click Verify and enter this code. So we'll copy that. Okay, and we'll click on this. Google Mail user may now send mail as Brian at thewallpanelingcompany.co.uk. And if we go back here, I'll put that little code in there, and I'm going to verify it. There we go. It's all set up. So Brian here, thewallpanelingcompany.co.uk. I can make that the default if I want. My default is actually Step into Internet Marketing. I'm actually going to delete this because I don't need this file. This is just an example. But if I click that and make it a default, it means I will always send mail from Brian at thewallpanelingcompany.co.uk. So when I compose mail, let's pull this over a little bit further like this. When I go to compose mail, I have choices of where the mail is going to be from. So here, from Brian, this is my default, Brian at stepintointernetmarketing.com. Maybe I want to send it from my video testimonials, but in this case, the Wall Paneling Company. So the mail is now being sent from the Wall Paneling Company. It looks like it is from your email account. Nobody knows it's a Gmail account. Nobody, and when people write to you, they're emailing to Brian at thewallpanelingcompany.co.uk, and it's all coming into your Gmail account. This means that you can run multiple accounts. You can go on and on. Instead of having a separate email account for every website or every domain or every name that you have, because you can also import email into Google from Yahoo and Hotmail and AOL and all the others. You can administer and check it all from one account. And then if you want, at the side here, you can add labels at the side here, and this means that you can have, let's say, video testimonials, which I have there. I can have this one, and all your mail is in one place. So I hope that is of some use to you, and I hope you can set up your Gmail account from that.